All right, task number 9. Further reading. This is the last task from Network Exploitation Basics. And let's see what we did with. Yeah, that's completed our whirlwind tour of networking basics. Hopefully you found it informative. Networking is one of those things that you just need to learn. We've covered the very basics, but it would be a very good idea to continue to learn by yourself. In terms of further information, feel free to reach out in the TryHackMe Discord if you want any help with the contents of this room. Additionally, if you want to expand your knowledge of networking theory, the Cisco Self-Study Guide by Steve McQuarrie is a great resource to work from. Let's see about this guide. Anyway, Cisco, anything Cisco related is basically the golden standard when it comes to networking, especially. So this is basically the best source to learn anything networking. There may be a more up-to-date version available. However, this edition is cheap, readily available, and most importantly, still very relevant. Whilst it is designed as study guide for the CCNA exam, that book serves equally well as a very rounded introduction to networking principles. Answer the questions below, the best kind of questions. Read the final thoughts. All right. Let's see what's next. What we're learning next. Nmap, our beautiful tool that is very related to networking, still on this topic of networking. As you can see in the network exploitation basics, we still have 4 sections to go through. Network services and network services part 2, where we'll learn about enumerating and exploiting more common network services and misconfigurations.